Okay, this is taking the name off the transom time. Something very important happened in my efforts to remove the old name from the transom. The vinyl was embedded in the deep embedded into the gel coat. So this worked. I don't have any endorsement from them. They don't even know who I am. I bought it off Amazon. It's $32 a quart. I used the chip brush to put it on. Brushed it on with a chip brush. And that took care of it really nice. And then I wear gloves, of course, when I peeled it off. And I used a razor blade, I think it's called Whizzy Off. Comes with hard black, double-edged razor blades, which actually work better than the soft blades that you can buy. So I can't find the Whizzy Off other than the product on Amazon. But that's life. We'll figure that part out later when I need it again. Here you see me starting to apply the vinyl off. Each letter, I'm actually working on a letter that hasn't been touched before because I was trying various methods, including spinning rubber erasers, scraping with heat, dissolving. None of it worked. Nothing actually worked to remove the vinyl lettering. So I found the product. I'm applying it here. This is sped up, of course. This is 4 times normal. So I'm showing that I'm applying, and you can see some of it coming off, which is fantastic. I got more done that one morning than I had the previous many hours. So this is it's tough work. As you can see, I'm hanging on to the fly on the. As you can see, I'm on the swim platform. I'm trying to get a grip on anything because the transom naturally goes at a wrong angle. It's a hot morning. I tried to do this in the mornings. As you know, the summer was super hot, and it was difficult. I work up quite a sweat standing there scrubbing away or pushing and scrubbing. Slowly it comes. Yes, it was very disappointing, and all the other so-called, these will make the vinyl lettering go away techniques. They don't. They literally don't. Time for a short break. Go up, grab a cool drink, and break's over, back to work. As you can see, the lettering is starting to go away. The far left, that's pretty much damaged, little chunks taken out. It was covered in various chemicals, so it was a mess. That's why I went to the clean, fresh lettering to remove, and was very happy with this. I'm using a plastic scraper. They call it a plastic razor scraper. The product on Amazon is called Whizzy, and it uses a hard black razor, a double-edged plastic razor blade. I did buy some other blades that are specific for removing vinyl lettering, but they were too soft. They were a soft blue, and they just could not handle the heavy push needed to get down deep enough to get the vinyl picked up. pulling this one down, it was so satisfying to see actual progress compared to the failures of all the other techniques. And there we are, one day gone. One of the things that happened was the vinyl lettering for the old name was embedded in the gel coat. And that was probably almost 30 years of embedding. It was near impossible to get out without complete damage of everything back there. So I searched around, came up with this product called Vinyl Off. It works great. I'm very happy with it. It takes a bit of doing. It says 15, but stuff embedded like this, it took many attempts, probably many cover, 6, 7, 8 coatings, and then it came off in strips. We've had kind of a cloudy, overcast day. It's hot, humidity's up, and I'm not sure we're going to be going back home eventually, but right now, enjoying life. And there we are. Look at that. This is what we've been going for. The little letters seem to be deeper embedded than the big letters were. I don't understand that. It has some reason, but they're tough to get off, but I'm coming along. You can see part of A is gone and a little tiny bit of RI is gone. We'll get there. But for now, Buena Ventura has a clean slate to work from. Or at least a dirty slate, which eventually will be repainted as much as the boat will be. But for now, that's her. Thank you. Please like and subscribe to Buena Ventura Life. Appreciate your comments also. Thank you.